Here I have Huawei Y7 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings icon right here. Here you have to choose the Do Not Disturb, and as you can see, you can easily enable Do Not Disturb by using the following switcher. Let me also tap Enable now, and you can enable or disable right here. What's more, you can also choose some advanced settings right here. For example, Do Not Disturb mode. You can use here alarms only, so you can allow only alarms. You can allow the priority interruptions, or you can choose Don't Interrupt and use the most restricted to Do Not Disturb mode. But if you would like to, for example, use the priority interruptions and you would like to define some priority interruption, you can use the settings. Here you can handle with repeat callers, alarms. You may also accept some calls from the favorite contacts, for example, and do the same thing with messages. You can also use enable as scheduled, so you can switch on Do Not Disturb in some period of time, for example every Saturday, every weekend, every weeknight, and you can repeat this in the future. So that's it. Let me delete the rule, for example, tap delete. And here we've got all the settings that you can use on Do Not Disturb. So everything went well. Let's go back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.